Hey, in this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin or crypto in general on the Revolut app. This method works in 2023, it will work in 2024, so just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is sign up for Revolut. If you have not done that already, please use my link in the description down below. The next thing you want to do, and by the way, this video is no financial advice, is obviously log in to Revolut. And from there, you want to go on crypto right here. If you don't have it, you should have you can click on search right here. And you want to type in crypto. So when you do that, you can see that you have your crypto wallet, right? For example, I don't really have any crypto on Revolut. I use other means of storing it. But when you have your crypto right here, you want to trade, right? So you can click the trade option, and here you have different examples. You can search for different coins. For example, we'll buy Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, click on the blue button, buy, and you can select how much you want to buy it for. As you can see right now, the fee is around €1 for me, or 2 left, because it's for 1/4 of the amount. It says after this fee, or 1/5, so it's pretty high. So it only makes sense if you're buying a little bit more. So for example, $100 worth of crypto, that's a little bit better after all the fees. So this is how we do it. You click on buy, and that's it. If the video helped you out, let me know by liking it. If you still have questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you next video.